Alright, so I hate washing cars, so today I'm gonna have to do something I hate doing. I hate washing cars, and I've owned this car for around 8 months, and I've only washed it twice. I didn't wash it myself, I took it through a car wash. But today I'm gonna try something. This Shine Armor Graphene ceramic spray, and I'm gonna see if I can get a lazy man shine, because there's no way I'm gonna wax a car. No way. So I'm going to take it through the washer and try this spray, and we'll see how that goes. Just a quick before the car wash. It needs a wash. So I went through the car wash and I just drove it home. I didn't dry it there or anything like that like I should have, because that's just kind of weird videoing yourself there. But anyways, let's take a look. All right, so when you go through the car wash, you're gonna get some of that for the hard to get stains and stuff like that. So we're gonna wipe that down and clean that off first before we try the ceramic coat. All right, so I got all that tree gunk off. Man, that was more work than I thought it would be. If you want to keep your car nice and shiny, don't park underneath a tree. Okay, so now we're gonna try the shine, and I'm gonna do it on half first, and then we're gonna compare. All right, this is the Shine Armor Graphene ceramic spray. It says to spray on the rag first. I'll give it a good healthy amount, and I'll do this side since the wind is blowing that way. Allow product to sit for 2 minutes, 1 to 2 minutes. All right, so I sprayed it on, and you can see there's a little bit of a line. So I'm gonna buff out that line, and then we're gonna compare the two. I'm not sure how well you could see it with the sun reflection. Maybe that helps it, but you know, you could definitely see that there is a line. So I'm gonna buff that out. So when I run the rag and I run to this side, I can feel it's definitely rougher than when I'm on this side. There's definitely a smooth finish being applied here. All right, let's take a look. Yeah, I do feel like, I'm not sure the camera's picking it up, but it is a little bit shinier than this side. But really, when I run my fingers, it's nice and smooth, and now my fingers kind of stopped, and now it's grippy, and nice and smooth. I don't know if you can see that, but there's the border, and here's the other side. It's not like a super duper difference that I'm not sure the camera could pick up, but we're gonna run a water test to see if the water could pick it up. All right, so I sprayed it with water, and my hands definitely felt a difference, one side being smoother than the other. Let's see what the water says. So this is the side that I did the coating on, and you can see it is wicking water. And as we move towards here, see the water is a lot more scattered. You know, it's not being pushed out and being balled up as well. So definitely there is a difference, not just with my hands, it's running smoother, but with the water, you could definitely see the difference. So I do think it's leaving on a good protective coat. There's the shot. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to dry everything off and do the whole hood. Let me show you something. As I'm drying it off, you can see there's definitely a line on this side where I have the coating, and on that side where I don't. There's it's a little bit darker on this side. Not sure if the camera is picking that up, that you could kind of see, but let me wipe it with the towel again, and when it's a little bit wetter, you can see that there's a difference. See, with that towel wiping, with the fresh water, you can see that there's a clear line, and this side is actually a little bit smoother for sure. So that's good. So I'm gonna finish up the hood. All right, so this side, just because I'm kind of lazy and I don't like washing my car or anything, I'm gonna just try to just spray it on and then wipe it and then buff it. Seems a little bit easier than spraying on the towel and wiping. All right, 1 to 2 minutes. Let's buff it in. All right, there you go. I think it looks pretty good. So, you know, you could save yourself a little bit of money, pay $200 for a ceramic coating, or you could buy one of these bottles. I don't know, I think it was $20 from Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description for you. But there, now I gotta do the rest of the car.